Let me quickly cut across to Apurva joining us live for more on that. Apurva, please elaborate for us on what we see there of the Tirupati Laddu controversy. We know that a homam was carried out to ensure that they wash away from the sins that they may have committed. Give us more on the controversy and the investigation that's been launched by the Andhra government.
Well, that's right, Nabila. In fact, Shanti Homam was conducted today inside the Sanctum Sectorum that you can see over here in Tirumala. This Shanti Homam that had taken place early this morning took place between 6 and 10 a.m. exactly. This was the auspicious time during which this Shanti Homam had to be done. 7 priests apart from 3 Agama, 7 priests apart from 3 Agama Shastra priests were also brought in and conducted this Shanti Homam, wherein Panchagavyam was used. This Panchagavyam is 5 products that are made purely out of cow ki ghee, which is cow's ghee, and these 5 products that were used, these 5 ingredients are symbolic representation of purification process that has been initiated now with the Shanti Homam that had been completed by the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams. Now it has been deemed that the purity of this religious sthal has been restored back to its nature as well, especially that they had done it during the auspicious time of 6 and 10 a.m. Not only that, inside the Sanctum Sectorum, but also in across all these areas where the prasadam is being done, be it the raw material go down or the laddu counter or even the distribution, and most importantly the ghee tankers that are being filled and stored here for cooking in the Pakashala. All of these areas had been purified with the holy water here that had been used for the puja that had taken place today. The Andhra Pradesh government on the other end has also formed a special investigation team, an SIT that it's planned to form, which will be led by an IG rank officer or someone higher as well. And this investigation team will go ahead and look into what are the kind of checks and balances that were missed, who are the people who had supplied these vendors, and most importantly, who are the culprits behind which this kind of tainted abomination had taken place here in the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. So that's going to be the plan of action that the Chief Minister has proposed here. Apart from this, today after the Shanti Homam, it has been said that there has been the purity that has been restored back here in the Tirumala, and not only that, apart from Tirumala, all other temples as well. Nara Chandrababu Naidu, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister, has said that there will be a complete cleansing ritual that will take place in and across temples here in Andhra Pradesh. On one side, while we are seeing that the Andhra Pradesh government is taking action, just a short while back, we saw Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam's former chairman there, Bumana Karunakar Reddy, who arrived here at Tirumala and also took a oath here wherein he prostrated before the God, and he said that there hasn't been any sins committed by him. In fact, he also went on and added saying that this is nothing but propaganda and false allegations by the government. Nabila.
All right, thanks very much, Apurva, for joining us on that.